Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video tutorial I will be telling you how you can set up Stripe in your Shopify store. Let's move on to the screen, and this is our test store. We will go to settings and we will go to payments, and if you have Shopify payments activated, you have to deactivate that, then Stripe option will be available. After deactivating the Shopify payments, you will go to general settings and you will change the location to your country to France, and just save it. After saving the location, you will go to payments under third party provider and you will choose third party provider, and here you have Stripe. Now you will click setup Stripe, and if you are logged in the same browser, you do not need to log in again. The Stripe will recognize you and it will allow you to sign in. So I will set it up. If you want to create a new one, you can also create a new one. Now as you can see, Stripe is activated on our store. Now you can change the setting back to your location, whatever you want. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I just want to ask you guys, if you like the video, like the content I dropped here, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions regarding Stripe setup and anything else, just feel free to ask in the comment section down below. I will try to answer all of your questions in the comment section down below. Thank you and peace.